G'day folks, Paulie Mac here from Park Life in Terrigal. Today I'll be cooking a Nasi Goreng with Fortune Everyday Jasmine Rice. So we'll go into our hot pan with some Simply sunflower oil, straight in with the ingredients. They're going to make a noise. Move them around, otherwise they'll burn.
Then we go in with our rice. Today we're using the Fortune Everyday Jasmine.
So we cooked this rice yesterday because we want the rice to separate. If you use freshly cooked rice, it will clump up together. It won't be nice to eat, it won't look pretty.
Stir for a couple of minutes and we're going to reduce down until the rice starts to caramelize. This is key for the flavour. We're going to serve this today with some green onion, red chilli, fried shallots and lots of fresh coriander. And add any protein you like. We're using chicken today. Add a little bit of sweet soy. We want this to the sugars in the soy to caramelize. So we'll serve this today. I like to put some green onions, some red chilli, fried shallots, lots of fresh coriander, and if you like, a couple of nice crispy fried eggs.
Well, there you go folks, that's my Nasi Goreng using the jasmine rice. The reason I love this is because it's quick, easy, healthy and beautiful.